Who am I? What is really my role to this world? And what should I do to know myself? Generally, I knew myself as Melissa Jade Lumen, an 18-year-old girl living at Salcedo, Eastern Samar, and currently studying at Eastern Samar State University, Giwan Campus, taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
But before taking up my course, I really felt a huge doubt about choosing a course myself. First is that civil engineering is not my first choice. What I really wanted to take is the computer engineering. But for certain circumstances, my parents wouldn't allow me to take that. They wanted me to take Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education major in mathematics. I don't like it. I don't want to be a person in somebody's dream. I started to cry a lot and doubt that I cannot do this. I cannot be happy in taking up a course I didn't choose myself. I knew I wouldn't be successful. My last choice is civil engineering. At first thought, my parents wouldn't allow me to take up this course again. I literally had my blood, sweat, and tears to fight for this course. I'd like to be someone who is to be called an engineer in the future. So after senior high school, I prepared to take civil engineering as my chosen course. It was hard proving that this is for me.
As a teenager who seeks validity and social acceptance, I am pressured enough to do the best in every step of the way. I live in a world full of judgment and high expectations, so I'm pressured enough to do good and be good. Now that I am a civil engineering student, I am slightly pressured, but through having peers or friends beside me, I am no longer confused about my role. But as for my identity, I am still confused, since I am just an 18-year-old girl still exploring about the world.